Hey guys, um, I know it's like freezing everywhere else, so I decided to wrap up in this blanket so I could like feel like I was with you guys like in a February winter weather. So this is me wrapped up in a blanket, and we're gonna talk about the Cricut Easy Press because honestly, you guys, I've done like iron on projects before with just like an iron, and that worked fine, obviously, and it has for like the past like 100 years or however long irons have been around. So I got an Easy Press. Thank you, Cricut, for sending that to me to try out. But you guys, thank you, Cricut, for that. I've used it. I love it. Excuse me. Do you guys want to watch this project? Okay, let's just watch this project. So there's my pattern that I'm gonna do. I'm doing this heart. It's really cute. It's got like an outer outline that I'm going to do in black, and then I'm actually going to do the inside of the heart in blue because I just felt like that would be kind of cute. Um, and so there goes my Cricut Maker, cutting out the shapes. And honestly, you guys, like I prefer like the big shapes. Like I don't really like to do really intricate designs. I just like to keep my crafting fun, and I find that like some of those like really like small lace patterns are just really difficult and stressful. And I see you guys in the Cricut groups just like I'm gonna be up till 6 a.m. weeding, and that's like a lot of work. So I mean, like I think that like it comes out really nicely, but I don't know. I just like to relax with my crafting. I like it to be a little more leisure and chill. So, um, anyway, so the Cricut Heat Guide. If you Google Cricut Heat Guide, this is really handy. You pick the machine that you're working with, then you pick the material that you're transferring onto, and then you also choose the material that you're ironing the product onto. Okay, wait. So you pick the material that you're using to transfer, and then you pick the product that you're transferring onto. And I use a easy press mat. And then it tells you exactly like the temperature that you need to put on and how many seconds. And that's really handy because when you go to the machine, you set the temperature so you have the exact precise temperature, which is something that you can't do with an iron. So I think that that's kind of cool. Like I guess they know the best temperature to do stuff. So I just take their advice. I use the heat guide. The link is below. Okay, so while that's like preheating, I was just like checking out my pattern. This is a self-healing mat, which is kind of nice. It's really handy. I always use the blue side, but I forget that it's double-sided. And this is Easy Press mat. So there's my shirt. I'm using a pink t-shirt. It's not a Cricut shirt or anything. It's just a regular t-shirt. But this isn't ink transfer. This is just iron on. So I'm just laying out the pattern to see if it's cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, my friend was just here. She had the flu, and I feel like I've like absorbed her symptoms. Okay, so there goes the heart. That's cute. That's really good contrast against the pink, honestly. Oh, and it beeps when it reaches the temperature, which is nice. And then you just push the Cricut button, you stick it on there, you apply a little bit of pressure, and then it counts down for you. And then I believe it beeps again after the timer runs out. So that's super handy. And then this pattern's bigger than my Easy Press, so I just like move it around. I set the timer. And I just like I put extra heat on it, honestly. It didn't really do anything. I would say let it cool off because it did like do that little balloony thing in the edge, but it eventually smoothed out and you don't even see anything. Okay, so now this right on top looks good. It's obviously off center on purpose, so you know. And then, you know, iron that. Then I flip it over and then iron the backside. Just to make sure it's like super adhered, because I noticed with leaves, like the little corners, like if I didn't flip it over and do that, it didn't come out as good. But let's see. Woo! Okay, that's it. Thank you, Cricut. Thank you, Easy Press. I'm gonna make a lot of stuff. That's for damn sure. So thank you for watching. And if you guys found this video helpful at all, if you think that the heat guide is handy, if you think that I have nice dimples, I don't know, like just like, subscribe, share, because like, you know, we're trying to get monetized up in here, okay?